Are you looking at your new Neon card, wondering what's next? You've got this sleek piece of plastic, maybe you've downloaded the app, but you can't quite figure out how to make it live. How do you go from a cool-looking card to a tool for all your financial needs? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the surprisingly simple steps to activate your Neon card and get you on your way to making purchases, sending money, and managing your finances with ease. Let's start with the big picture. When you receive your Neon card, it's essentially a blank slate. For your security, it arrives inactive. This means if it were to fall into the wrong hands before it reached you, it would be completely useless to them. The activation process is what links this specific card to your unique Neon account, turning it into a powerful and secure financial instrument. The good news is, you don't need to call a customer service number or visit a bank branch. The entire process is handled right through the Neon app on your smartphone, and it takes just a few minutes. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Before you do anything else, make sure you've already downloaded the Neon app and created your account. If you haven't, pause this video, go to your app store, and set that up first. You'll need to go through the initial sign-up process, which includes verifying your identity. Once your account is fully approved and ready, you'll be able to see the card on its way to you within the app. Okay, card in hand, app downloaded, and account created. Now, open the Neon app on your phone. You'll likely see a notification or a banner right on the home screen that says something like your card has arrived. Activate it now. If you don't see that, don't worry. Simply navigate to the Cards or Account section within the app. The exact wording might change slightly, but you'll find an option to activate your new card. Click on that option. The app will then ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your new card number. This is a crucial security step. It's how the app confirms that you're holding the correct card that belongs to your account. So, grab your card and carefully input those 4 numbers. After that, you'll be prompted to create a unique 4-digit PIN. This is a very important step. Your PIN is your key to making in-person purchases and withdrawing cash from ATMs. Choose a number you'll remember easily, but that isn't obvious, like your birth year or a simple sequence. Don't use 1234 or 1111. Once you've created and confirmed your PIN, the app will process your request, and in just a few seconds, you'll receive a confirmation that your card is officially active. Congratulations! Your Neon card is now live. You can start using it for online purchases, adding it to your mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, and of course, using it at physical stores. For your very first in-person transaction, you might be asked to use your PIN, even if the terminal supports contactless payment. This is often an added security measure, so be prepared to enter the PIN you just created. After that first use, you should be able to tap and pay as usual. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've taken your new Neon card from an inactive piece of plastic to a fully functional financial tool. You're ready to make purchases, manage your money, and enjoy all the features that come with your new account. The process is designed to be quick, secure, and completely user-friendly, putting you in control from the very beginning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.